Okay, this is a SW202 style motor reversing contactor switch. It's actually two contactors put together. I do have a dog that likes to bark when I start talking. This bolt right here was unscrewed and I had to find all the parts within the box. One of the things you'll immediately notice is that there's two brackets at an angle here, so you can't mount it without bending it back. Now I think the whole deal with that bolt being loose and the brackets being bent is the box that they chose to package it in is just it's too small. So they had to bend the brackets to get it in, and then they took off this bolt just to fiddle with the top, because here's the other problem. This guy protects the top, but I think they had some kind of issue trying to get this bolt on or something. This guy didn't seem to work that well, mainly because you'll see there's actual scuff marks on the plastic. Now, this thing is not labeled anywhere, so this could also be some kind of residue from a sticker, but given that it's like up here, I don't think that's the case. The residue would have been actually right there. And normally on these contactors, you would see a label here or here saying what kind of voltage the coils activate on. Now I do have a bench power supply here. I'm going to go ahead and connect up the cables. Now this is a 48 volt contactor, at least that's what I purchased. But let's see. It just came on at 7.9 volts. That is a 12 volt contactor. You hear that? Yeah, so if I go to 48 volts, it's pretty much gonna destroy the thing, I think. Now there's no labeling on the box either. The closest label I can see is it's a DC contactor, and that 200 AC number, I don't know what that number's about. These are just shipping labels. There's no label underneath that they covered. And that's the only thing I see for reference numbers, which again says that same 200 AC, which is right here, 200 AC. Nothing there, nothing there, nothing there. There was no documents inside of the package. There was nothing saying what's in the package other than that sticker is a DC contactor. Nothing about voltage. So buyer beware. Yeah, be careful.